We have 5 thread eyes. All the safety pins are just here to make it easier to find right now. If you look really, really closely, we have these bicone beads, just sort of like hexagonal beads. And then there's some thread there, and that's the loop. So this one is in line with this stitch here. And then this one has another there. And so it's just like 1.5 inches that way. And then this one is just there. There's the bead and the eye, and then the bead and the eye there, and then over here is the last. There's the bead there and the eye.
Gosh, okay.
I'm thinking we might make them a bit more obvious. We can add something to that. And then in the skirt are some hooks.
Oh, okay.
Like so.
On the flowers.
Yes. And so if you kind of just lift up the layer, that you'll see where they are. So this one will come up to, thinking I might just switch these for metal eyes, so then you'll be able to see them.
I'm going to need my magnifying glass though.
Oh, let's just hook it there for now. It's up high, that's not getting painted. And the last one. And underneath, we just have some ribbons.
How many ribbons are there?
So there is this double ribbon up near her butt.
Yep.
You just tie that one. And then another one here.
Right.
So 2 down the bottom, and then they go up to 2 in 1 up the top.
On the same one at the top.
Yep.
Yep. So what's that ribbon down the bottom then?
No, that's just to hang it up.
Oh, okay, right.
All right, you can do a little spin.
That came up nicely. Yay!